where nature dances with history. Exploring the Enchanted Tapestry of the Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney. The Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney holds a prominent place among the most famous and beautiful botanical gardens, not only in Australia but also in the world. Situated in the heart of Sydney, the garden boasts stunning views of the iconic Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge. Its various themed gardens highlight Australia's unique biodiversity and showcase plants from different regions and ecosystems. Visitors can experience everything from rainforests to arid landscapes within the garden's confines. The garden's landscapes are meticulously designed, featuring pathways, lawns, ponds, and heritage-listed structures. The garden is not only a haven for plants but also supports a variety of wildlife, including birds, insects, and other creatures. The garden's location, beauty, and cultural significance make it a popular destination for both tourists and locals. The Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney's reputation extends beyond Australia.